How to refinance a loan with Regions Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to refinance a loan with Regions Bank Online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in on the main dashboard, you can simply go to loans and credit section and select refinance option under the type of loan you want to refinance. And there you need to fill out the online application form with details about your existing loan, income or financial situation. And after that you simply have to upload any required documents like proof of income or identification to complete your request. And once submitted, a Regions Bank loan officer will review your application and contact you with available refinance offers. And you can then compare terms and accept the best option and sign a new loan agreement digitally. And that's it. That's how you can refinance a loan with Regions Bank online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.